In this training video, I'm going to show you how to access our business learning section built right into the Client Dispute Manager. That's right. When you become a Client Dispute Manager family member, we give you access to 74 high definition videos showing you step by step on how to run your credit repair business. And it's right here. Now let me show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is go to training. Let's go to training videos. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on business learning. And as you can see right here, we have everything you need to start and run a successful credit restoration business or credit score improvement business right here in the Client Dispute Manager. And it's absolutely free. Now, this type of value you would normally pay anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000 by trying to learn how to run and improve a credit score improvement business or a credit repair business. But in the Client Dispute Manager credit repair business software, we're going to give you all of this education for free right here. Step by step, look at all these videos right here. Each video is 5 minutes long, giving you step-by-step pointers on how to start and run your credit repair business, including marketing, including sales and contracts and dealing with customers and pricing and research and competition and electronic signature, credit reports. We even got a little bit of credit repair in here. Qualifying customers. Look at this right here. Marketing, sales, need from your clients, what you need from your clients, everything you need, emails you should send, business cards, email marketing, backup of business cards, seminars, how to put on online work seminars, PowerPoint presentation, advertising, part 1, part 2, part 3, sales and marketing, sales part 1, part 2, part 3, sales script elements, affiliates, affiliate partners, referral partners. All of this, look at this, customer service, customer surveys, dealing with difficult clients, client contact, being organized, is your mind ready, time management, book and taxes, company policies, acts and laws, credit repair training, software, branding, building credibility, growing your business, and testimonials. Look, I don't know what else you want me to say about this credit repair business software, but I'm going to tell you right now, everything you need to run a successful credit score improvement business or credit restoration business is right here in the Client Dispute Manager.